Welcome to the Read 180 dashboard. The dashboard contains a wealth of information, and we will be exploring the different components of the dashboard over the course of 3 video tutorials. After you finish viewing the videos, you'll be taking a short multiple choice quiz to demonstrate that you know how to navigate the dashboard and locate your data, as well as writing a short paragraph to explain 3 ways that you plan to use the dashboard to set, monitor, and achieve your reading goals. The dashboard is the first thing you'll see when you log into Read 180. Remember, you only have 45 seconds here, so make the most of that time. Across the top, you'll see your 5 navigation tabs. Today, we are only looking at the Home tab, which provides great information about your current progress. The first thing you'll want to note is your segment number and title. You'll record this information daily in your software log, and it will help you track down resources that are specifically associated with this segment. Below the title, you'll see information for each of the zones that you'll be working in. For the reading zone, you'll see how many questions you have left to do. For the word and spelling zones, you'll see how many words you have left to master. Below that, you'll also see a list of your actual study words. It's a great idea to record these words in your journal so you can study them outside of class. Once all of these numbers flip to 0, you'll be ready to move to the success zone and demonstrate your mastery. To the right of your segment information is your news feed. This shows your current achievements. You'll have a lot more achievements than this, and we'll be exploring those further in the My Personal Best tab during the last video. Below the news feed, you have 2 important bar graphs that give you information about your progress. The first one is session time. It shows the total number of minutes you spent working actively in the software for the last 5 sessions. Remember, our goal is 15 minutes. If you've hit this goal, it'll be reflected in a green bar. If you miss the mark, it'll be red. Remember, go for green. The next bar graph shows your total words read. For each session, these bars should be slowly increasing. We are tracking, monitoring, posting, and rewarding students for the most words read, so keep that number going up. That wraps up the Home tab. Remember, you'll have unlimited access to this and the other videos, so review them as needed. In the next video, we'll be looking at the My Topics and the My Reads tabs.